It's 7:47 this morning, and this week we're happy to celebrate nurses and all they do for our community through this pandemic during National Nurses Week. We're shining a spotlight on one nurse in particular with the University of Kansas Health System, who made a big impact on the son of a patient. 41 Action News reporter Jordan Betts has the story, all new this morning on 41 Action News Today.
Stephen, Ashley, and her son, Joel.
I mean, we pretty much knew that it was going to work.
A happy blended family with a little girl on the way. Things were going great for this trio until a day at the park turned their world upside down.
10 minutes later, Joel called me on her phone, and he said, "Hey, mommy's having a heart attack." I said, "Okay, hang up, call 911, tell them trace your number." And then I was like, and then I'm on my way up.
Joel called 911 and they raced his mom to the hospital.
They didn't resuscitate her for at least 25 minutes. So she went 25 minutes with no oxygen and blood flow to any of her body.
Now Ashley is being cared for at the University of Kansas Health System, where she is in a vegetative state. Her fiance says after she gives birth next month, he will discuss with doctors on what to do next. This comes as Joel has already lost his dad.
He doesn't, like you said, he doesn't really get it, but I mean, he's got an idea. So like if someone asks him, he says, "Yeah, my mom is in the hospital and she's sleeping." While
all seems lost, a nurse at KU took note of something.
Just because of the timing of when she came in, we had cared for her for a couple of weeks, and I learned that, Valentine's Day was coming up. It's extremely important to her and her son, and they had this special little bond.
After taking care of patients during a pandemic, Ashley's nurses are stepping in to brighten little Joel's life.
Through the help of some of my incredible colleagues here, we were able to figure out how we could surprise him at his daycare and bring Spider-Man to him and bring some treats to his classmates and bring a special Valentine note from his mom.
Smiles and all, this special holiday brought joy to this family.
He loved it. He loved every second of it. Thought it was awesome.
A moment the nurses won't forget.
It's a calling, it's a passion, and we want to make an impact and we want to make a difference in people's lives, and we want to show up for them in really meaningful ways. And we want to bring joy in the face of tragedy. And, if I'm really honest, I needed to pick me up just as badly. I hope he remembers that he had a whole lot of people that cared so much about him and his mom, and wanted to make a difference and wanted to make this incredibly challenging, life-altering experience and situation for him a little bit better, and give him one final, really positive memory to remember his mom.
In Kansas City, Kansas, Jordan Betts, 41 Action News.
Stories like Casey's are the ones that you may not hear around Kansas City, of the incredible, important, the words aren't even there. The work being done by nurses across Kansas City to just care for people in every sense of the word. And we're so happy to share those stories with you. We've got a lot more on our website right now, kshb.com, during this Nurses Week. Please go and check those out.